guys, for today's video, we're going to be unboxing this Pikachu box right here. Now let's go unbox it.
What kind of Pikachu box is it, Jackson?
It's the Mega Pikachu box. It's really cool because you just get you at least get one EX, the guy in the front.
Let's see.
You always get this guy right here.
So it's the Pikachu EX box.
You always get the EX.
Flip it, I'll help you. Put it down on the ground.
Well, look at that guy right there. Look at this guy right there. He's reverse, he's full art, and he's an EX. I'll take it. Okay, I think we have to take out this guy right now. Isn't that just epic? So, Pikachu. Ooh. Okay.
Jackson,
huh?
flip the code card over.
Here is the card or whatever. So first we will be unboxing this. What's first pack? So first we have this Slowpoke.
Tangela. Rhyhorn.
What is he?
Energy card. Purple energy. Reverse Persian. What's that one?
Alright. Ooh, Venusaur EX. I could take another one of those. Alright. I'll take another one of those. Okay, that is good. And we have this guy in for the final card. It's a soda. They're pretty good though.
Sodas are really good.
You want to put sodas in your deck because you'll have some pretty bad cards at one point. Not on there.
Okay,
Next. Cheese. So we have a Ghastly.
Energy.
Krabby.
Geodude. Ooh.
Gyarados. Charmander. Not Charmander for the final card? Wait, no. Actually, yep. Go Fibber.
That's okay. We still got an EX.
Yeah, and we still got. But cards are amazing to have doubles of battling. If you just collect, it's very good to get doubles also. Like you need everything.
So now the Venusaur pack.
I hope we have any action here so badly.
Who knows, buddy?
We never get EXs. We just pulled one. Rhyhorn.
Ponyta. Oh, you're going high. Magikarp.
Magikarp. Energy.
Another Charmander.
Is that
okay?
Last card. Oh, Haunter. My main Pikachu.
Is that a luck blow?
I hope it is. If it's not, I just embarrassed the heck out of myself. How do I open this? Whoa.
Do you need help?
Yeah. Just in case this video dies, make sure you give this video a thumbs up or please subscribe to this channel. Do all of that stuff and make sure you like
put the top 3 behind. Do the secret shuffle.
I need one. Oh, do the secret shuffle?
Yeah.
You think this is a good pack?
Maybe. 1, 2, 3. Now just put them on the, now just put them on the top. On the bottom, I mean. Yeah, okay, let's see now. Maybe, you never know. What is it?
You could photo.
Okay.
Match.
Yeah. Esper.
Bimbo.
Slowpoke.
Slowpoke.
Energy.
Energy.
Pikachu. Let's see. More this way.
Golbat.
Golbatch. Okay, reverse.
That is one I'm missing, guys. I really needed this card, and I finally got it. And the last card, Mega Charizard EX.
So what's the one you really need? Hold them both up. Let's see. One at a time.
Really need this card right here, because this Gardevoir EX is one of the elite trainer boxes. That's one that you can pull in here that is really good. Same with the Mega Charizard. I already have him, but it's good to get double EXs, everything. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and peace out.